Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can add email to the saved sender list on the Gmail. Okay, so let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Gmail. So there is a two-way. First way is simple. If you have already email from this sender, just open that email, go to that profile ID or profile picture and just go to the add to the contacts. Now it will be add to the contacts and you can see, let me add again. Okay, it has been added. Now you can see this pencil icon, go to the edit contacts. So here you can edit your that sender details and just save it. Okay, so basically once you add the sender on your contacts, then it will be add on your saved list. Okay, so it has been added, or you can simply add manually. Go to the contacts like this, go to the create contacts and add manually the name, company, job. This is the email ID. You need to add email ID here. Okay, and add other details and save it. Now you have add this sender as a saved list. Okay, so there is another way. If it's not work for you, then you can create the rules. Okay, first we need to copy that sender email ID like this. Just copy that sender email ID, go to the setting, go to the see all, go to the file filters and blocked address. Okay, I just delete it. Okay, so here we need to create rules. So create new filter. We need to paste that email ID of senders. Now here just create the filter, and here we need to make that never send to the spam, always make as important. Okay, and you can also create the labels for this particular sender if you want. So label like folder like this. So we have already that folder, so you can just select that, or you can create the new folder. Okay, so whenever you got email from this sender, it will be come on this label only. Okay, so now go to the create filters. So we have create filter for, it will be never send to the that spam, and always mark as a important, so it will become to the inbox as a important. Okay, so that is the way. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.